Hello friends, today we will try to solve some of the multiple choice questions. The question belongs to chapter Periodic Classification of Elements. Question number 41. Which of the following is largest in size? Here options given: chlorine minus, sulfur 2 minus, sodium plus, chlorine minus. The correct answer for this MCQ is answer B, that is sulfur 2 minus is largest in size. We can explain the correct answer on the basis of electronic configuration of atoms and ions. Electronic configuration for atoms are given on the left hand side and that of ions given on the right hand side. So from the electronic configuration of ions, it is clear that the chlorine, which is having the electronic configuration of 2,8,8, having 18 electrons, are distributed in 3 shells. Sulfur 2 minus, which is having same electronic configuration as that of chlorine minus, that is 2,8,8, showing that the 18 electrons again distributed in 3 shells. From the electronic configuration of sodium plus and chlorine minus, which having total of 10 electrons, showing that these 10 electrons are distributed in 2 shells. So from the electronic configuration, it is clear that these two are smaller as compared to these two. Therefore these two options are ruled out. Among the first two options, chlorine minus and sulfur 2 minus, chlorine minus having more effective nuclear charge, and hence more the effective nuclear charge, smaller is the size, and therefore sulfur 2 minus is largest in size. Question number 42. Which of the following is isoelectronic with carbon? Here options given: sodium plus, aluminium 3 plus, oxygen 2 minus, and nitrogen plus. In this case the correct answer is answer D. Again we can explain the correct answer on the basis of electronic configuration, but before that let us see what does isoelectronic mean. Isoelectronic species are those species which having same number of electrons. So from the options we have to find out the species which is having same electrons as that of carbon atom. So the electronic configuration of carbon atom is 2, 4. Here the electronic configuration of ions are given: sodium plus, aluminium 3 plus, oxygen 2 minus, and nitrogen plus. Sodium plus showing electronic configuration 2, 8, aluminium 3 plus showing electronic configuration 2, 8, again oxygen 2 minus showing electronic configuration 2, 8, but nitrogen plus showing that electronic configuration 2, 4. So this electronic configuration and this electronic configuration is same, and therefore the correct option is D, and hence nitrogen plus is isoelectronic with carbon. Thank you friends.